Damn it. I got shot again. Grand Theft Auto 5 sucks. Tom, what is it for the 1000th time? I lost a mission in Grand Theft Auto. Well anyways. I planned a train trip through Plotagon Island on the Plotrek Express. What the f? I hate Plotrek because they're too slow. Well too bad. We're riding on this train whenever you like it or not. Fine. Scott, this is bullshit. Why can't we ride via rail instead? Because I feel like a Plotrek fan right now.
Next.
2 tickets for the Plotrek Express. There's no way I'm going on this train. I know. I'll just make a Go Animate style rant about this piece of the Plotrek Express? No, more like the Trek Express. Oh my god. This train sucks. This train goes so fast it makes me vomit. The seats are also uncomfortable. Do you know who likes this train? Trainboy 729, because he made up the company's name in the first place. And do you know who hates this train? Jessica. She's smart enough to not ride on the Plotrek Express. So screw this train. Via rail is 572648264736438 times better than Plotrek. Tom. Those types of rants are overrated. Now get on, immediately. Never never never. Plotagon logic activate. What the f was that? I've put a random character to slap you so you wouldn't escape. Fine, I'll get on the train. This is ridiculous. This is one reason why I hate Plotrek, having the pain of looking for an empty seat. Well, if you didn't screw around, this won't have happened. Damn it. The train is starting and I didn't find the seat. That's not my problem. Just sit on the floor until a seat is available.
Good morning, sir. May I see your ticket?
Of course.
Good morning, sir. May I see your ticket?
I don't have a ticket.
Well, if you don't have a ticket, then I'll just assume that you're not ticketed for this trip, and we'll have to kick you off at the next station.
Yes! I'm gonna get kicked off.
Wait, what's that sticking out of your pocket? You silly goose. You do have a ticket after all.
He does realize that I'm 17, not a 7-year-old?
Hey look, there's Tom. Let's tell a funny story about him.
Yes! It's time for some good laughs. Okay. This retard of mine deserves it. And yes, I did call my roommate a retard. What did you say about me?
Let's tell my story about Tom.
Great! They're going to tell a story about me. How could this trip get any worse?
And then he fell onto a cargo ship. The end.
That was really funny. They disgusted me. Attention passengers, we're stopping at Plony City. Grab your bag if this is your stop. Any leftover luggage will be removed without warning. No second chances. Let's get off, Tom. This is our second stop. Fine. I'm just going to get us some snacks, okay? Okay. I feel like causing mischief. I'll just wreck the electrical poles so the train won't be able to move again. In order to do this without getting electrocuted, I'll need to use Plotagon logic for this one. Plotagon logic activate. Yes! Now there's no way in God's sake the train will move again.
I would like 2 chocolate bars.
Attention passengers. Plot track number 491 has been delayed because of some electrical poles have been destroyed. We're sorry for the inconvenience.
Great!
My train has been delayed. I might as well enjoy myself while I wait for the poles to get fixed. That sounds like Tom's laugh, and it sounds like it's getting closer.
Yes! I did it. I've destroyed the poles. Now we're not going anywhere. As you can tell by my facial expression, I'm really angry. You've done some terrible things. But for destroying the electrical poles in which they have power to make the trains move, you've gone way too far. In fact, it's so far, it's unbelievable. But Scott, I hate Plotrack with a burning desire.
Attention passengers, the poles have been fixed. Thank you for your patience.
That's great. But anyways, you're being forced onto another train which is going back to our city.
What? Yes! That means I wouldn't be able to ride on Wreck again.
Actually, you're going on another Plotrack train. It will be coming after this one. When you get back to our house, a security guard will be greeting you and you'll be forced to stay inside until I get back. Do I make myself clear?
But Scott, can you please give me another chance?
It's too late. Now go.
No. Grrrr. Hey, taxi.
So you must meet Tom. Well, in that case, go to your room immediately.
Fine. Fantastic. I'm stuck in my room. If only I can escape. Wow! This is the third idea today. I'll just escape through the door quickly.
Wake up.
Whoa. What the hell just happened?
You were asleep, so I had to wake you up. I was also calling you for dinner.
Thank God it was just a nightmare.